Welcome to the Mr. Mojo Canadian Dividend Stock channel. Today I'm going to present like 5 dividend blue chip Canadian stocks that you can buy from Wealthsimple Trade. So if you want to buy them in the Wealthsimple Trade and you want to open an account, you can use the promo code given in the description. You will get like 2 stocks for that. And so let's start it. So the first one I pick today is Algonquin Power and Utilities Corporation. So Algonquin Power and Utilities is a diversified utility companies in North America with 10 billion in total assets. The company engage in the generation, transmission, and distribution of water, gas, and electricity to communities across the USA. As a growing renewable energy company, Algonquin Power has own a strong portfolio of long-term contracted wind, solar, and hydroelectric asset with 1.5 gigawatt of total installed capacity. The company has more than 50 power generation facilities and 20 utilities across North America. Algonquin Utilities businesses serves nearly 770,000 customers in 12 states across USA, though 1,200 miles of electric transmission line and 100 miles of natural gas transmission pipelines. So the stock has a market value of 11.59 billion with a PE ratio of 13.59. The annual dividend yield of this stock is 4.51, and this stock is currently considered as one of the dividend aristocrat. So going to the second one, which is Canadian National Railway. So Canadian National Railway is a leading transportation and logistic company in North America. The company owns the only transcontinental railway line in North America and provides intermodal tracking, freight forwarding, wireless housing distribution services. As North America's leading supply chain player, Canadian National Railway carries more than 300 million tons of cargo annually. It is a fully integrated rail and transportation systems, and is a top mover of aluminum, iron ore, base metal ore in North America. Canadian National handle over 50% of all Canadian chemicals production and services. The 3 major pharmaceutical petrochemical center in North America. Its product portfolio is well diversified with intermodal accounting for 25% of revenues, followed by petroleum and chemicals, and gains and fertilizer each at 17%. Forest products, metals, minerals, automotives, etc. constitute the remainder. So the market capital of this stock is 118.47 billion with a annual dividend yield of 1.47%. This also considered as one of the dividend aristocrat, where the payout ratio is 35.60%, which is considered really good. So the next one I'm going to talk about is very famous stocks like Toronto Dominion stock, so also known as TD Bank. So TD, now like 165 year olds, is one of the 10 biggest security trading on the Toronto Stock Exchange, and its most generous dividend grower among the big 5 banks. It has a large presence in the USA, and its number of branches makes it the 5th largest North American bank. TD serves 26 million people in the world with 13 million active digital user, and it's also among the top 5 banks. So Toronto Dominion is one of the 10th largest security company trading on the Toronto Stock Exchange, and or considered one of the best dividend giving stocks in USA and in Canada. So like as I said, that this bank has a large customer base and has a large activities in the digital world. So the stock is growing day by day, and the stocks is currently selling at 89.77 in the Toronto Stock Exchange with a dividend yield of 3.52%, and the per share dividend yield is 0.79. The current market capital of this stock is 163.79 billion, with a like PE ratio of 10.60. So this stock is still considered as one of the underrated or lower value stocks in the Toronto Stock Exchange. Now going to the fourth one, so Royal Bank of Canada. So Royal Bank of Canada is the leader in banking sector. This 156-year financial institution is the largest bank in the country by assets and market capitalization, and the second largest security on the stock exchange, like on the Toronto Stock Exchange. Though its primary market is local, like over 1,200 branches, it's operates in 36 countries and over 17 million clients. So it has increased its payout for 9 consecutive years, becoming an aristocrat. The 10-year CAGR is like 11.59%, and if the bank can keep it up, it can contribute a lot to your long-term gains. Its market great strides toward online banking, as well as is likely to hold its dominant position in the digital banking sphere as well. So the current stock price of this stock is 130.99 with an annual dividend yield of 3.3%. So and the market capital of this like Royal Bank is 186.67 billion with a PE ratio of 12.34%. So this is also stock is also like considered one of the low growing lower and sorry low price stock, and you can buy this right away. Now the last one for today's this video is TELUS. So TELUS Corporation is second largest telecom company in Canada, providing a wide range of communication product and services such as data, IP, voice, television, entertainment, and video. The company has a 16 million customers connection, including 10.6 million wireless subscriber, 2.2 million internet subscriber, 1.2 million residential network access line, and 1.2 million TELUS TV customer. It is also Canada's largest digital healthcare provider and has been a major telehealth player for over a decade. The telecom has a strong presence in the wireless segment, which accounts for 55% of total revenue, while the wireline segment constitute the remaining 45%. Nearly 70% of the total earning is derived from the wireless segment. The wireline segment comprise data, voice, and other services and equipments. So the market capital of this stock is 35.62 billion, and the annual yield of this stock is 4.54%. And this stock is also considered one of the dividend aristocrat because of its continuous increase in the dividend. Although in the pandemic also, like this stock performed really well. At last, I would like to thank you for watching the video, and please don't forget to subscribe Mr. Mojo Content Dividend Stock channel, and don't forget to use the promo code in the description to open the Wealthsimple Trade account. Thank you so much for watching the video. Have a great one.